Hey everyone, and welcome back to LT3D. Today I'm going to show you 5 cool Easter themed decorations that you can 3D print yourself at home. All of the projects will be linked in the description down below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so the first 2 designs we're going to be looking at are an origami inspired Easter bunny and some Easter eggs. Now, the Thingiverse file has quite a few different Easter eggs. I just chose these 2 as they were my favorite, but feel free to download and print as many as you like. They're all very cool, and having a bunch of them together for a nice, center table piece would be pretty cool in my opinion, and maybe I'll do that in the future. The third design we'll be looking at is an Easter bunny holding an Easter basket, which is a really cool design as the basket can hold, I believe, up to like 7 or 10 small Easter eggs. So it's perfect for, like putting on a desk in your office and, letting customers have an Easter egg, or even in your own house when family and friends rock up and walk through just to have themselves a little bit of chocolate when they come in. Great little design in my opinion, and I love it, and I'll be definitely putting that on my table. The fourth design we'll be looking at is actually probably my favorite design out of all these 5 here. It's an Easter bunny Easter egg dispenser. So you can print the head and the body separately. The head clips on the top, and then you can fill it up with 7 small Easter eggs, which I think is a really cool gift for, like a niece, a nephew, or a son, or so forth. You could just give them that little 3D print, and then when they open it up, they can see the Easter eggs in it, and they can then refill it as much as they like. And the final design we'll be looking at is actually some Easter-themed cookie cutters. Now, I gave this a go because I thought it was a really cool idea. And let me know what you think. I think my cookies came out alright. Not the best looking, but for my first attempt. And I did it like just last night. So I think it's alright. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below if you 3D printed any of these designs. Feel free to also send me a link to them, because I'd love to see, what colors you chose and so forth and how they turned out. Don't forget, all of the projects can be found in the description, so head over to Thingiverse, download them, and get 3D printing. I'll catch you guys on the next one.